Welcome back. Which animal can laugh? Elephant, human, dolphin, cat. Choose correct one. Ooh, the time's up. The answer is dolphin. What is the hardest part of a joke? Punchline, timing, the setup, audience. Correct answer is timing. Who invented the light bulb? Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, Alexander Graham Bell, Benjamin Franklin. Correct answer is Thomas Edison. What's the largest mammal? Elephant, whale, giraffe, hippo. Choose correct one. The answer is whale. Which fruit floats in water? Watermelon, banana, apple, pear. The answer is watermelon. How long is an elephant's pregnancy? 18 months, 22 months, 12 months, 10 months. The answer is 18 months. What is the fastest bird? Falcon, eagle, ostrich, hawk. Answer is falcon. What does a cow produce daily? Difficult one. Milk, honey, eggs, wool. Definitely the answer is milk. Which planet is known as the red planet? As you can see, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. The answer is Mars. What does a skeleton never do? Eat, sleep, talk, dance. Answer is sleep. Which vegetable is known as the king of vegetables? Potato, carrot, tomato, broccoli. Answer is broccoli. What is the longest river in the world? River Nile, Amazon, Mississippi, Ganges. The answer is River Nile. Oh, it's wrong. It's River Nile. Okay. What shape is a stop sign? Stop sign shape. Choose correct one. Square, circle, octagon, triangle. Answer is octagon. You can see in the picture stop sign. What does the sun do at night? Let's think. Sit, rise, sleep, shine. Answer is sit. Okay, next one. How many sides does a triangle have? Very difficult question. 3, 4, 2, 5. Answer is 3. Correct. What's the opposite of cold? It's cold, really cold. Warm, hot, freezing, lukewarm. Okay, answer is hot. What is the name of the toy cowboy in Toy Story? I don't know. Woody, Buzz Lightyear, Jesse, Andy. The answer is Woody. How many continents are there? Very interesting question. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 7. What sound does a sheep make? Moo, cluck, ba, oink. Which one? It's okay. Right. What's the hardest substance on Earth? Hardest substance: gold, iron, diamond, platinum. Which one? Correct. It's diamond.